Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the Wi-Fi not connecting issue in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, click on connections. Now here click on Wi-Fi and then click on your settings icon with your connected Wi-Fi. Now here click on forget and then reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. And after reconnecting, if you are still facing the problem to use Wi-Fi, then the second solution is open settings, scroll down and here click on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and click on reset, and here click on reset mobile network settings. Now here again click on reset settings to confirm. So when you will click on reset settings option here, it will reset all your mobile network settings, but it will not delete any data from your mobile. So after doing this, if you are still facing the problem, then the last solution is restart your router and your mobile. So to restart your mobile, swipe down and open quick settings panel, and here click on this restart icon. Now here again tap on restart and then again tap on this restart icon here to confirm. So after clicking on this icon here, it will restart your mobile, and after restarting the mobile, your problem will be definitely fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.